And hello all, a quick, very quick video on your coloring assignment, your review assignment today. We'll call this lesson 9A-3A. And I'm going to go ahead and pause, ask you to pause, check your answers from yesterday's assignment. Come on back when you're ready. Of course, you know I love questions, so bring your questions to me when you're done. And here we go. We're going to pass out this worksheet in class. Otherwise, you will have it on Google Classroom. I would invite you to do your work on a separate sheet of paper. I mean, you can always do it on the back of your worksheet. It's just a lot of flipping back and forth, but that's your call. If you're going to do it, go ahead and title the assignment number 3, 27th of January, and your hour, and 9A-3A, 3A worksheet. Let's go ahead and do number 8 together. So we start off with Michael playing 1/5 of a song in 1/15th of a minute. Question is, how many minutes will it take to play a whole song? How many minutes? Whole song. And I'll talk about that blue in a second. Now, the reason why that's so important is when it says a whole song, basically we're looking for a unit rate comparing the number of minutes per song. That's what we want. We want the one in the denominator. Now, that's important that we set up the units first. 1/5 of a song, 1/15th of a minute, so that we remember to put the right numbers in the right place. Notice this is a fifth of a song in 1/15th of a minute. Now we go ahead and we can rewrite it. 1/15th divided into 1/5, which is the same as multiplying by the multiplicative inverse. Mr. Callan prefers reducing early, 5 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. And 1/3. Now remember, we don't want to say one song, or 1 minute every 3 songs. That's not what the question is asking. The question is asking how many minutes it will take to play one song. Now I'm going to challenge you always to write a complete sentence to answer your question. It will take 1/3 of a minute to play one whole song. Not a complicated sentence. I don't need 2 sentences, don't need a paragraph, but you should write your answer in a complete sentence. And that's all I have for today, folks. I would invite you to summarize by the end of this what it means, in your own words, what it means to be a unit rate. But carry on with the rest of it, and when you're ready, each of those will have a color. Take your color, go ahead and color your scarecrow, and I will have an example in class if you want to check your colors. Thanks, folks. Let's grow.